Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to look at the KEO temple. This temple is early 11th century and was built by King Jayavarman V. It is located between Angkor Thom and the eastern Baray. One of the tallest monuments of Angkor, the KEO is a mountain temple built by Jayavarman V, as mentioned earlier. It has 5 sanctuaries which are placed on top of a 22-meter high, 5-stepped pyramid, from where there are good views of the surrounding area. The pyramid-shaped KEO was built to represent Mount Meru, the mountain that is the center of the world in Hindu mythology. The massive sandstone monument dedicated to Shiva was left unfinished at the start of the 11th century. Work on the KEO was halted at a time when sculptors began to add decorations to the temple. The reason why work stopped is not known. An inscription says that lightning struck the temple at one point, which was taken as a sign of bad luck, upon which work was halted. More likely, it was because of the death of King Jayavarman V, who commissioned the temple. The pyramid's first tier is surrounded by a sandstone wall with gopura entrance gates on all 4 sides. On either side of the eastern gopura is a room over 20 meters long that was likely used to provide shelter for travelers. The second tier of the pyramid is surrounded by galleries 80 meters long and 75 meters wide. The galleries have no doors and its windows open up to the inside of the temple. The KEO is the first temple where surrounding galleries were present. Many of the Angkor Wat temples that were built later copied this feature. The circular galleries are a continuation of the long halls of earlier temples like those of the pre-Rup. On the eastern end of the second tier platform are 2 gallery buildings, similar to the circular galleries, but these are much smaller. Next to them are 2 library buildings, with a statue of Nandi, the sacred bull, in between them. Around the KEO was a moat that represents the oceans surrounding Mount Meru. A paved walkway about 500 meters long towards the east, with guardian lions on either side, leads to a jetty on the large East Baray. top 3 tiers, 14 meters in height, are steep and narrow. A very steep staircase on all 4 sides leads towards the upper square platform. On the platform, on top of the pyramid, are 5 prasats. The largest one in the center, 4 smaller ones at the corners of the platform. The prasats have a cruciform floor plan and open to vestibules. The sanctuaries have 4 doors, where earlier monuments had only 1 door, usually to the east, and false doors in the other directions. The towers contain sanctuary chambers in which several lingams and statues were found. A few hundred meters to the southeast of the KEO stands a single prasat, which is also unfinished. The temple is located about 14 kilometers northeast of Siem Reap town, just east of the old capital Angkor Thom. A fun way to get there is by tuk-tuk. From here you can see the first level tier with the surrounding wall and the moat, and several of the circular galleries. Just coming up, you can see the guardian lions, which sit either side at the top of the 500-meter long walkway.
So from here, right? Yeah.
The KEO has been built in a jungle, and from this viewpoint you get a 360-degree view of that jungle and appreciate the remoteness and atmosphere that this jungle and temple provides.
Sort of the brick jetties on top. They're hollow.
Yes.
Thanks for watching until the end, and if you have enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. I will see you all very soon. Bye for now.